Hello, my name is Apurbo Samanto. I welcome you to LearnerBuddy. Let us continue exploring UiPath Clipboard AI. So let's get started. First of all, let me open my browser, that is Chrome. Now let me select one of my profiles. So I am selecting this profile. Now let us search UiPath Clipboard AI. UiPath Clipboard AI. Now let me hit enter. Now we can see that we have got the first result, that is Clipboard AI copy paste automation, and it is from UiPath. So I need to just click on this link and we have landed on UiPath Clipboard AI. So let me accept and continue. You can search for UiPath Clipboard AI as I have just showed you, and also I will provide the direct link of UiPath Clipboard AI in the video description. Before we start, I would like to strongly recommend you to view each and every video of this playlist to get a detailed overview about UiPath Clipboard AI. In this video, we will see how to download and install UiPath Clipboard AI. So let us download UiPath Clipboard AI. To download UiPath Clipboard AI, we need to click on this try it now button. So let me click on try it now button. Here I have clicked. Now we are getting a pop-up where we need to just select a file name, but I will go with the default one, that is UiPath Clipboard AI, and we need to hit save button. It is a very short file of 85 MB, so it has already been downloaded. So let us go to the download folder. Here is my download folder, and here we can find the Windows installer package, that is the MSI file we have just downloaded. So let us install UiPath Clipboard AI. Let me double click on it. Now we need to just agree the UiPath Clipboard AI license agreement. So here we can see two checkboxes. The first checkbox says it will be automatically starting once we will be logging into our system, and the second checkbox is saying that we need to accept the license agreement. As we all know that we can't escape the license agreement. I need to check it. I have checked it. Now I will click on next. I will click on install now. Our UiPath Clipboard AI tool is going to be installed. It will take around a minute. So let us wait and watch. Now it is saying the UiPath extension for Edge has been successfully installed, but you need to close all the Edge process for changes to take effect. So I need to search for any Edge, but I can see any Edge instance is open, so I will not do anything. And it is saying, do you want to force close them now? Select no if you want to restart the browser later. But as I don't have any Edge instance open, so I don't need to think about it. So let me hit on yes button. Now it is saying the extension of UiPath for Chrome has been successfully installed, but I need to close all the Chrome process for changes to take effect. So I can see that one Chrome instance is open, so I need to close it. So I can just close it manually. Rather, we can just force close Chrome instance by clicking yes button. So let me click on yes button. Now our UiPath Clipboard AI has been installed and I need to click on finish. But if you check that here it is saying that do we need to run UiPath Clipboard AI right now? If we just uncheck this checkbox, then the UiPath Clipboard AI will not be starting once I will be clicking on finish button. But let us start the UiPath Clipboard AI once I will be clicking on finish button. That's why I am not unchecking this checkbox. Let me click on finish button. Now let me close my file explorer, and here if you see the UiPath Clipboard AI shortcut has been created on desktop, and here also we have received a clipboard bar from UiPath Clipboard AI. So our UiPath Clipboard AI is now ready to be used. We have seen in this video that how to download and install UiPath Clipboard AI. That's it for now, and thank you so much for staying with me to explore how to download and install UiPath Clipboard AI. Don't forget to subscribe LearnerBuddy to stay connected with LearnerBuddy and learn together with LearnerBuddy. Thank you.